So we're replacing this old concrete culvert today. It's a 36-inch one buried in the weeds and mud, with that 72-inch one down there. But the beavers have got the creek dammed up. It's actually on the other side of the road, and it'll drop it down about 2 feet, which should get rid of all this water we got right here. So we're gonna run down the road with the Mini this morning and see if we can't bust that beaver dam. I got my big bright orange safety vest on, so I look like I work for the state. We'll take her down the road and across the bridge and down the hill and see if we can get that beaver dam busted. Might put a little bit of mud in the road. Might. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. High speed. Oh, we're going for it. We're going for it. Hitting the paved road. We're gonna go across and down the shoulder, across the bridge. Because that's where the beaver dam is. We're turning. I wonder why they left that one oak tree. Huh. Oh, we've revved it up now. We're on a mission now. Beaver dam busting one up. Oh, we're hitting the paved road. Going across our bridge. Hopefully nobody comes around the corner going 90. Like they seem to have been. Here we go. Going 100 miles an hour. I look important with my safety vest on. Man, where are all these people coming from? Let's go down here and see what we got. Don't know whose property this is, but we're just going for it. There's our beaver dam. That's our beaver dam that's got everything dammed up. It's weird how the creek comes under the bridge and then straight and just stops. And then it curves around. As soon as he quits screwing around with this here bush, we'll get her ripped open. Get some flow. Get a little flow. Love the beavers. Hey, just throw it over here, it'll wash down. Just throw it over here, it'll wash down the creek. Maybe not on top of the pile. It's okay, they'll build it back tonight. We just need the water drain down so that we can work today. Maybe we'll just build another dam right here. Oh, don't get it stuck. Should drain the water down fairly quickly. Oh, it's washing away now. Just needs more flow. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a Bud Light. Yes, sir. We got good flow now. That should drain it on down. I'd say that's adequate. Alright. That was our big 5-minute project. Let's go dig up a culvert pipe and put in a big one. That'll work. Here we go.